Mistplay units are earned by playing featured games, but the fastest way to earn depends on which games are available in your account and how you use the app. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay units work, what activities usually help you earn more units, and how to avoid wasting time while using the app. Mistplay rewards users for playing mobile games through the app. Nice. When you install and play supported games from Mistplay, you can earn units that can later be exchanged for rewards. The best time to earn units is usually when you have new games available in your Mistplay account. New game offers can give you more opportunities because you are starting from the beginning and completing early milestones. Check the Mistplay app regularly for new game recommendations. Available games and earning opportunities can change, so the list you see today may not be the same later. Another way to improve your results is to focus on games that match your playing style. If a game takes too much time to progress, switching to another available game may help you use your time more effectively. Mistplay tracks your activity through the app, so always start games from Mistplay instead of opening them separately. This helps make sure your play activity is connected to your account. If you are trying to earn more units, avoid installing random games and expecting rewards. Only games listed inside Mistplay are designed to provide units through the platform. Your phone settings can also affect tracking. Keep Mistplay installed, allow the required permissions, and make sure the app can run properly in the background when needed. There is no guaranteed hour of the day that gives everyone more units. The better strategy is checking for new offers, playing eligible games consistently, and focusing on games that provide progress you can actually complete. Mistplay is designed as a rewards app, not a full-time income source. The amount of units you earn depends on your available games, your activity, and the reward options offered to your account. To summarize, check Mistplay often for new games, start games through the Mistplay app, and spend your time on offers that fit how you actually play. Your next step is to open Mistplay and review the available games in your account before choosing what to play. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app tips, and fixes for common problems.